One.
Hey everybody, welcome back. So it's been about 45 minutes. We let it roll another 5 in the oven. We've come to see this beautiful dinner. And we want to make sure that these chickens get an even chance. So we're going to turn it over so it browns on the other side. Looks nice and golden. Do this slowly so you don't splash. Remember, we're pros. We do it all the time. When you're at home, have a stable surface. We're not going to a fire. Okay. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 10. And then you're done. You've got this, your salad, and your family. Thanks.